Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Roblox application, and when you are playing a game, your friends will know that you are online like this. As you can see that some of my friends are online, shown by this green icon, this green circle. And if you want to hide when you are online on Roblox, you need to go to your privacy setting. I'm going to go to more option, and I'm going to go to the setting and go to the privacy and content restriction. And wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, here you can go to your visibility and private servers. Alright, go to the visibility guys. And here you can hide your online status by choosing no one. So no one can see when you're online on Roblox. That's a simple, right? On your mobile phone, you just need to do the same. Just go to the setting and go to the privacy setting and go to visibility. And you will find this menu. Okay, and that's all the way to hide online status on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!